I try to get in people's heads as much as possible of understanding the story. Okay,
Yes.
so we've been going down, and we got like this bar
Wait.
here.
Share screen.
I don't have to do that. It's against the law. Okay, okay, good. So we're looking for a change of character in the market. So the market's heading down, heading down, heading down, negative. And then we see a spring. Okay. Usually springs fail in downtrends, right? But we have to monitor it to a place we want to sell. Well, obviously, you don't want to sell this. There's nothing to sell here. And then you get some type of rally, maybe let's call it a sign of strength, okay? Or some type of thing. The sign of strength, we're going undergoing accumulation. So maybe we are, right? Maybe we are. Third retest down. By the way, I would take this trade here.
That's what we
Only,
talked about yesterday.
right. I would take that trade, okay? Market goes up. Now, here's my concern. The market here, low end close, mid range close. So obviously, some selling is going on in the market. Maybe the CM is bought the longs, unloading down here. I want to mark this. Okay. Now we have the rest of the day doing nothing, but we drift lower. So this is really a lack of supply.
Because of the small ranges, it's lack of supply.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So get here, sign of strength. But then we start to see selling into it. This is very important, okay?
Yeah.
When you get a rally in a market that's bearish, without really much prep time, this is prep time, it's gonna fail, right? So it's like putting a band-aid on a tourniquet on a put a band-aid on when you need a tourniquet. But we don't know what this is, right? So then the subsequent action afterwards is low end, mid range. All this is kind of really the lack of absorption, right?
Yep.
It's pulling away. So we expect the retest down to here. Right? We got the retest down to here. Okay?
Yep.
Goes here, comes across, and we mark that bar. So you can see why the market has equilibrium here because it's of this.
Right.
We go here, and now look. The market really is not acting bullish. It's not reacting from where the market had its quote unquote sign of strength. Remember, vertical bars we want to look for a trade.
Right.
There's no trade to buy here. So the fact, so in this sense, instead of supply overtaking demand, it kind of gnaws back at it. It's just kind of a little longer rotation. So the volume starts to increase because you're seeing the market break, so the longs start to get out.
Oh.
Okay. And that's not, and instead of the CM says, go ahead, get out. I don't care. So that means the market's going to drift lower because the CM's not making a stand. Goes lower, goes lower, goes lower, goes lower. This is Europe. And now, this is where it gets interesting.
Oh, yes.
So right here, you see a possible change of character. Remember, any large up move, any move with volume, it's important, right? Yeah. But that's on the upside. Maybe the market's tired of going down. So the market buys. I don't know what it is, but I got to put that here. Now, let's see how my springs react or my retests react. Spring. They're trying to spring, but not ready to go yet. Okay? So the market basically is acting fair, but it's in the middle of the night. It's like 6 o'clock at night in the middle.
Look at the positive statement on that red volume.
Right. But look right here. It tries to go down. So the market's increasing in volume, but the market's not going anywhere.
So near downward thrust.
That's bag holding.
Bag holding.
Right?
If
the CM allows the market to go down here, the funds sell. The CM bought this here, right? This is bag holding. Right? You say, well, that's the result. It's stopping the bleeding.
Right.
Supply is not hurting. Demand's holding the market up. Then I get these bars here. It's some type of vertical absorption, but it's not really absorption. But it's vertical. It's short covering. We go around, and now we want to mark this bar here, right? That's our buying bar. So we have an area now of support from here.
Because that's our markup bar.
Correct.
Okay.
So we're area support. So we want to see how the market's acting here. Okay. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Now, as you go higher, the market now is running away from support, albeit slowly.
I bought that retest.
Good. I want to be long. I want to be here.
Yeah, I bought that retest to resistance. Not that one. The one in the middle by the red.
What's this bar right here?
That is the springboard.
You got it, sister. Or Jack, I should say Jack.
I'm not Jack.
Look, so you have spacing. You have the market now shorting the downward thrust. Bag holding.
Did I do the right trade? I took that buy there.
This is the buy right here.
Yeah, but I took the buy in the bag.
And this one here too. This one here too.
No, you see where you're shortening a downward thrust.
I know, but this one also is.
Was that a bad trade? Well, it went in my favor, but I don't.
When this bar happens right here.
Yeah.
Now let me tell you a little inside, not inside secret, but a little Taiwan, Thailand secrets. Okay, watch. The market here is it's a retest of a demand bar or retest of a bar we want to buy.
Yeah.
There's nothing to buy here. This is fair, right? Look right here. This bar here. Look at
action.
Compare the volume.
Stopping
Same
action.
volume, half the range.
This one was the trick one.
Oh, so ancient Chinese secret. Yeah.
So, no, because look at the result.
Right. So look. So okay. So maybe I'm a little chicken and I'm not that expensive, but I would take that trade. But let's take it from we're not that great at Wyckoff. We're learning.
I'm not. Yeah.
Okay.
That's me.
This bar is the bar you take.
What? Why would you take that bar?
Because this bar proved bag holding.
Yeah.
And the immediate result up.
Yeah, but look how it closed with a little up.
It's okay. It's okay. The fact that wider range, that's okay. Remember, markets are 24/7.
Yes.
Do not get caught up on position of long closes.
Okay. I have to get used to that.
Give me the story. The up bars
we're coming from strength
are greater than the down bars, and you're coming from bottoming.
We're coming from strength.
This is a retest of jump over the creek.
I took that, but I saw that up thrust and I got out.
No.
And then
I told you that an up thrust. No one else is here, by the way. I think an up thrust in a bull market is bullish.
Like a probe. I have to get used to that.
And you don't want to sell that.
But that's why the market tricks the untrained eye. They'll see an up thrust.
So but here's the story. Change of behavior, buying. Change of behavior, buying. This is a great trade. It's a springboard.
Yeah.
Buying. Look, one bar up.
20 to go down. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah,
man, this is an easy one.
It's not.
I know. None of them are easy. But
that's
I'm
why I asked you the
question. Short of thrust. Here. Now, we don't need to sign a straight.
See, it was at resistance, and then the volume started increasing. I was like, oh no.
Now, I draw this line across here.
Oh no, you don't know what you're doing. Get out. Get out.
It's LPSY or retest of the creek.
No, LPS.
LPS. Sorry.
LPSY would go to.
This is bag holding. Look. This one right here. Look. Steady volume, small range, okay? No supply. Not a supply bar. It's a retest. That's why if you look at the story of 24/7 versus individual bars, it's very important. If you look at individual bars, that bar is bearish. It is bearish.
You should have seen my head. You should have seen the machine moving in my head because I was like, "What is going on?" This one tricked me last night. I was up all morning.
It's a bearish bar. There's no doubt that it's a bearish bar, but does one active play tell you the story? No.
Yeah, but when it's happening, live, that's the only one.
I know
bar.
It's hard live. I'm not saying it's not hard live. It's very hard live. I mean, making money it's hard.
When it oscillates,
in hindsight, this looks perfect. It's
a
hard.
good lesson. No, but it's a good lesson.
But you have to understand what I keep telling you. What's the story? Higher highs, higher lows. It's bullish.
Okay, but sometimes it gives
don't let one bar influence your story.
No, but it's not going to be just because one bar is not going to fool my story. But the one bar could give a selling wave, and I don't want to be involved in
Okay,
that.
but if that's the case, you'll probably get some secondary test, right?
Oh, okay.
So that selling wave could go down.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But understand this. If you understand the story, understand the story is bullish.
Because you always said if it's a retest and then you buy it, watch for the reaction. That reaction made me scared.
Look right here.
Huh?
Increasing volume, smaller range.
Stopping action.
Yeah. It's bag holding. Look. If this market would have closed on the lows or closed on the highs, would it make a difference? No, it's still a smaller range.
Because we have strength in the background.
Correct.
Yes? Okay.
Correct.
Oh my gosh, that was good. Okay.
No, it's just a matter of following the story. Following the story, right?
Well, that's the story I had in my head, but then when it was retesting, I was like, oh no, I'm wrong now. And then
you draw your line here.
That's when people blow themselves up. They start getting, when it oscillates,
they blow themselves up because
confused.
They see Jack's face.
We don't know what he looks like.
We do. See this right here?
Reverse absorption. Look at the volume.
Oh, you boy, that was hard to tell. Yeah. Yeah, you see? Change of character. Reverse absorption.
Look, would you have sold after the
reverse
first
absorption?
bar?
You'd be out a long time. Look, reverse absorption.
Yeah,
lack of demand.
But that's the third retest. Would you have sold after the first bar closed?
Maybe. I don't know. It's hard to.
I did.
Low end closes. From selling.
Yeah. Now we're in weakness.
Low end closes. Boom.
Now we're in weakness.
Right. Now you got a little short covering.
Oh, that was so awesome. Again, with the word awesome.
Remember, the story is important. Not individual bars so much. Individual bars make up a story. Okay.
Yeah, but now the market proved that it's weakness.
One act of the plague doesn't mean a lot, does it? Who done it? But several acts will put together the whole story. They'll say, "Oh wow, it was him."
So that's what all that volume meant. Okay.
Stop. I hear dinner in the background.
Yeah, it's Uni. She wants to talk. See, she's here.
She wants to be eaten.
She's not gonna be eaten.
Yes, she is.
Nope.
So, but you see the point is though, is that look, this is weak demand. Look, after selling, weak demand. Go ahead, go lower, find demand. Did it find demand down here? It didn't.
Positive statement.
Right. So now when the market gets above here.
But this is where I get tricky when I want to sell.
This is tough.
How do I?
Tough. You got a little background negative, but this looks like it may want to go higher here.
Oh, see, I would have thought we're at resistance. I would have thought I want to sell.
You're doing nothing right now. I'm just saying, watch the market.
Okay. Oh, that was so good. Can you stop and send it out?
Send it out.
I watched 100 times.
Send it out in SOS. Send it out in